Do you call this again? Salty?
Sauter.
Salty.
Yeah, reindeer.
Salty reindeer.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try this salty reindeer. Guys, don't laugh at me. Look at this. First bite. This is potato.
Mashed potato.
Mashed potato.
Mashed potato.
Mashed potato and reindeer and
Cucumber. Yeah. The long
pickles or cucumber. It depends on you.
Of course. It's from Idol. Come on.
Taste it. Taste it. It's so good. Really.
I will got this.
I'm gonna. Oh my
I will
god.
got this
I
one.
taste a real reindeer. I ate a reindeer last time, right? I'm not satisfied, but now taste it. It's delicious. Right? Yeah, it's really delicious.